Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can add and use multiple accounts in Instagram. So first, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can use multiple accounts. So let's say you already have multiple accounts entered on your Instagram. What you can do is click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. And you can see your username at the top. You can click on it. Once you click on it, all the accounts you have added on your Instagram is going to be shown over here. So I have 3 accounts. So let's say I want to go to the third account called Witchy677. I can just click on it and it's going to take me to another account. So that's how we guys can use multiple accounts by switching between them. Now to add another account, before I teach you guys, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you click on the profile picture at the bottom again, and then you click on the username at the top. Once you click on the username at the top over here, it's going to show you this. And at the bottom, you can see the add account button with a plus. You click on it. Once you do that, you need to click on login into existing account. If you want to create another account, click on create new account. But we want to log in into existing account, so we're going to click on that. And over here, you need to enter your phone number, your email, or your username. After entering your username or phone number or email, enter the password of your account. After you enter the password of your account, just click on login and you should be able to log in into another account. Once you log in into another account, it's going to be added to Instagram and you can just switch accounts just the way I did in the first step, alright? So that's how you guys can add and use multiple Instagram accounts. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel once a step. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then.